gold futures. In this video we're going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 100 chart. We remain in slightly negative MACD but approaching to positive MACD territory. As with the 4-hour chart, we have dipped into negative MACD but we're seeing signs of a converge. As we extend out further to the daily chart, we remain in slightly negative MACD and appears to be approaching to positive MACD territory. We're still below the 200 moving average, this green line, at price of $1,812.80. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $163.39, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $170.54. My stop loss is at $160.40. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $171.57, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $166.46, and my stop loss is at $174.71. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold futures has a 75% chance to climb between 0 to 2.4%. To the downside, it has a 25% chance to fall between 0 to negative 2.4%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.